Education is changing, and very many experienced teachers and experienced educators, experienced leaders, but life in school and the game of education is changing.
One of the points of this course is to bring real capacity to leaders, so they are actually leading learning. It's about strategies you can take away, obviously a real knowledge and understanding about what we mean in depth about assessment, perhaps some of the new ideas.
What do we mean by assessment? Because we use so many different terms in different schools. So helping people get more clarity for themselves, and then shifting and looking at what makes the biggest difference for student learning, what has the biggest impact.
This row, the last person on the end there, can we give it away?
It's great to have an opportunity to reflect on some really key ideas and practices within education. In terms of takeaway ideas, it's making assessment as authentic and as relevant to the students and the teachers as possible.
That assessment isn't just about the grades at the end of a unit or at the end of the year. It's really something that can be woven into the curriculum and something that we can be doing more regularly alongside the learning that the students are doing.
The students should be at the centre of the learning process, and I think today has helped me in my role to sort of rethink how I need to construct systems and structures and engage in dialogue with teachers to make sure that that actually happens.
I hope they take away a sense of collaboration, of working with others as well, and how important that is in our growth and our development.
We're hoping that they're ready to take action, to make a difference, and that it's all about student learning, and that they focus their time and energy on the things that will make the biggest difference.